today's exercise is we're going to learn to count in 10 digits. So we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Yes, 100. So here we go. Let's do this together. Can you see that? That's number 10. 10. 10. That's right, 20. 20. 20. And that one is 30. 30. 30. That one's quite hard to see, but it's actually, that one there is actually 40. Can you see the number? 4 and an O. 40. 50. 5 and O makes 50. 60. 6 O. 70. 7 O. 80. 8 O. 90. 9 O. 9 and O. The last one is 100. 1 O O. 100. Well done. And thank you so much for watching. See you.